I just want some head from you. Show me what that mouth can do. Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another Boywithuke Ukulele tutorial for you guys. So yeah, I'm still doing these. Don't give up on me. If you want more ukulele stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below. But I'm also doing vlogs and other stuff because I'm venturing out more on this channel than just being only ukulele. So you guys know this. Ukulele time. You're here for ukulele, let's play some ukulele. Today, you're gonna learn how to play the head song, whatever, by Boywithuke. Little goofy little song. Those of you guys out there that request it, you little goofers, you little silly guys. I'm not gonna sing a lot of it because it's kind of weird, but it's funny. So let's learn how to play the song. Let's go to the chords. Before we get to the chords, make sure you have your ukulele. Make sure it's in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tuning. Now you're ready for the chords. All right, so there are 3 chords in this song. The first one is an A, which is just your middle finger on the top string of the 2nd fret and your pointer finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. The chord after that is a C sharp minor. It looks like this. It's probably the hardest chord in the song, but you just bar this 1st fret, all 4 of these strings, and then you put your pinky on the 4th fret of the 4th string. And then the final chord is a D, which is just these top 3 strings on the 2nd fret. Don't press this last one, just these top 3. So you can use 3 fingers like this, or you can bar it with just this, but you just want to make sure you're only getting those top 3, not this bottom one, okay? Those are the 3 chords, so it's A, C sharp minor, A, and then D. That's the chord progression. So let's go ahead and learn the 2 strumming patterns in this song. So the first strumming pattern is for the intro before the whole beat kicks in, and he kind of just hits and strums like that. If you want to be more dramatic, knock the wood on your ukulele while you mute the strings, so like that. And you want to play it twice on each chord. So starting with A, it's hit, down, then the C sharp minor, down, then A again, down, and then D. But once he gets more upbeat and adds all the drums and stuff, then the strumming pattern is pretty similar, but it's the hit, strum, hit, then you do down, up. Instead of just hit, strum, it's hit, strum, hit, down, up. So once you get to that fancy part, it'll sound like this. Almost like kind of reggae kind of sounding. So anyway, let's go ahead and try to sing a little bit of this song. I just want some head from you. Show me what that mouth can do. Cause I just want some head from you. I'm not trying to be rude, I'm just trying to pull up in you. La la la, 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 da. Something like that. Well, I hope that helped you guys. Wow. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play that song. It's really funny and it's pretty easy, but yeah, let me know if it helps. Let me know what other songs you want. And also, just so you guys know, I do also other videos on this channel. I do vlogs, I do random lifestyle things and other hobbies, but I also have a gaming channel. So yeah, there's more than just ukulele tutorials. But if you're just here for the ukulele tutorials and ukulele stuff, welcome. Thank you for staying and thank you for subscribing. And if you want to see other stuff, I have other stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm talking a lot this video. I don't know what the problem is.